How you can make a lot of money online. Have you been looking for a way to increase your income? If so, then working online could be the solution you have been seeking. Here are some great ideas to help you figure out your next step. Read through them and decide for yourself how you want to make money online. Look out for scams. While there are many ways to make money, several are not that great. Read through company reviews before you spend any time on a way to make money online so you get with a company that's decent. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. If owning your own blog is a bit too time consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. You may find tutoring to be a suitable online endeavor. This is why electronic teaching is something to look at when you want to work at home. You just need to know a lot about a specific topic. Put in the time and effort, and you never know what opportunities could then become available to you. This video was filled with some great suggestions. It is up to you to decide which ones will work best for you. So, bookmark this page. That way, you can keep coming back to it as you choose. You could end up with several profitable online ventures that will keep you busy. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.